Good day everyone. Today we will be having a video tutorial on creating a string art on a GeoGebra app. So I have here a sample of a string art. So how are we going to create this string art? So obviously the first thing that we need to do is to open the GeoGebra app. So as you can see there are different tools here. So this time we're going to use the regular polygon tool, the slider tool, and this bar, the input bar, the very important one. So let's first use the regular polygon tool. Let's put a point here and then here. And then as you can see, we can see a box here. Let's set the vertices to 4. Now we can now see a quadrilateral. Let's deselect this for us or for to make it clean. So the next thing that we're going to create is a slider. So let's put here, let's name our slider as n. Let's set the minimum to 1 and the maximum, I want it to be 50. And for the increment, let's set it as 1. So we now have a slider. So the next thing that we're going to do is to put point between A and B and C and D, and A and B. So let's put points. So let's start by going to the input bar. Let's put sequence. So we have here 3 options. So let's select the second one. So for the expression, let's put it B plus the quantity I over n, and let's set the direction from A to B. For the variable, let's put I, start value 1 and value n. Enter, and then let's do the process again between B and C. Same process, sequence, the second one. For the expression, it's B plus it's the quantity I over n, and for the direction, let's set it from C to B. Then we can now see for the variable, let's put I, the start value 1 and the end value is n. And then again, let's repeat the process between A and B. So again, sequence, second one, expression, this time it's letter D plus the quantity I over n. Let's set the direction from A to D. The variable is I, again it's start value 1 and the end value is n. Now we can see points, and for the last one that's between D and C. So same process, it's sequence, sequence. Second one is letter D plus the quantity I over n. Set the direction from C to D, the variable I, start value 1 and value n. Enter. Now we can see points between A and B and C and D and A. So as you move the slider, it's either it decreases or increases. So the next thing that we're going to do is to connect this point to this point, this point to this point, and so on and so forth. So let's go to the input bar. So as you can see, we can now see the sequence, the segment, the element, this one, and this two. So enter. So now you can see I not like art. So same process between this point, this list, and this list. This time it's between list 3 and list 4. Let's just edit the input 3 and 4. Now we can see again in a like art between list 3 and list 4. The next one is between list 3 and list 1. Let's just edit the input. There we can see, and then for the last one, between list 2 and list 4. So there we already have a finished product of HG. So let's add some designs. So let's go to the settings for the objects, and here, let's move here for the color. Let's move this for us to see the design of this art. So for list 1, let's color it as this. For list 2, as this. For list 3, this one. For the list 4, this one. List 5, this one. List 6, this one. Oh, let's change it to this. For the list 7, this one. List 8, and this one. So it's curly. Let's change the color of this to this. Oh, we removed it. Let's change it to this color. Now we can see, let's color the polygon. Let's add opacity. There, it's darker now. So as you can see, we now have a finished product of string art created on GeoGebra. So I hope we're going to meet again and follow me on my YouTube account. So see you and thank you for watching.